Balance the equation using half reaction method in the basic medium. This is the equation given. MnO42 minus aqueous giving MnO4 aqueous plus MnO2 solid. So we need to make it into two half reactions. So there is only one MnO42 minus on the left hand side. So let us use the same for both half reactions. Let us write the first equation as MnO4 2 minus aqueous giving MnO4 minus aqueous. This as the first half reaction, and next one MnO4 2 minus aqueous giving MnO2 solid. This as the second one. Now in the first reaction, let us rewrite it. Write it again. MnO4 2 minus aqueous giving MnO4 minus aqueous. One manganese on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. What about the oxygens? 4 oxygen atoms on the left hand side and 4 on the right hand side. So atoms are all balanced. Now we need to look at the charges. We have 2 minus or minus 2 charge on the left hand side and minus 1 on the right hand side. So in order to make the charges same or balance them, we need to add one more electron to the right hand side. That is, we will add electron on the right hand side. Now there is minus 1, minus 2 on the right hand side and minus 2 on the left hand side. So that is balanced now. So this is the first equation. And the second one, MnO4 2 minus aqueous giving MnO2 solid. In this we can see manganese is balanced, one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. But there are 4 oxygen atoms on the left hand side and only 2 on the right hand side. We need to add 2 more oxygen atoms. So to add 2 more oxygen atoms, what we do is we add 2 molecules of water, 2 H2O. Now 2 more oxygens have come. But along with the oxygens, 4 hydrogens have come. And there are no hydrogens on the left hand side. So what we can do is we will add 4 H plus ions on the left hand side. So all the atoms are balanced now. Now let us look at the charges. There is no charge on the right hand side. Whereas on the left hand side we have a plus 4 from the 4 H plus ions and a minus 2 on MnO4 2 minus. So this plus 4 and minus 2 will give us a resultant charge of plus 2. That is plus 4 minus and minus 2. So we need to make it the same as at on the right hand side. Right hand side there is no charge. So in order to make this side also without any charge, we have to add, that is to balance this plus 2, we need to add 2 electrons on the left hand side. Now the charges are also balanced. So that is the second equation. But look, here we have 1 electron and here we have 2 electrons. So we need to balance the number of electrons now. How do we do it? We have to multiply this equation by 2. Multiplying means we need to make 2 the coefficient of each of these entities on the first equation. and we have to add that to the second equation. So let us write the entities like 2, and we have MnO4 2 minus aqueous, giving 2 MnO4 minus aqueous plus 2 electrons. So that is our first equation now. Now we need to add these 2 and 1 together. Let us add them. Before adding, we can see 2 electrons on the left hand side and 2 electrons on the right hand side. We can cancel them out. So the electrons are gone. And another thing is 2 MnO42 minus and MnO42 minus. So adding these two, we will get 3 MnO42 minus. They are the same. So we can write the equation as 4H plus 2 plus 1, 3 MnO4 2 minus aqueous, giving 2 MnO4 minus plus MnO2 solid plus 2H2O. So this is the balanced equation in the acidic medium. We are asked to do the balancing in the basic medium. Now, how do we do that? We can see there are 4 H plus ions on the left hand side. In the basic medium, we don't see H plus ions. So, in order to remove the H plus ions, what can we do? We can add 4 OH minus ions here. This doesn't happen in the acidic medium. Acidic medium equation is this. So we will add the 4 OH minus ions. 4 OH minus plus 4H plus 3 MnO4 2 minus aqueous, giving 2 MnO4 minus, this is aqueous, plus MnO2 solid plus 2H2O plus 4OH minus. We have added 4OH minus on the left hand side, so we need to add it in the right hand side also. Now, what will we get if we add 4OH minus and 4H plus together? We will get 4 molecules of water, isn't it? So we can write it 4H2O liquid plus 3 MnO4 2 minus aqueous, giving 2 MnO4 minus aqueous plus MnO2 solid plus 2H2O plus 4OH minus. Now one more thing we can do, because here there are 4 water molecules and on the right hand side there are 2 water molecules. So 4 minus 2, this 2 can go, and here we can change this to 2. So we will write 2H2O liquid plus 3 MnO4 2 minus aqueous, giving 2 MnO4 minus aqueous plus MnO2 solid plus 4OH minus. This is the balanced equation in the basic medium. After doing it in the acidic medium, we need to add OH minus according to the number of H plus ions and then balance both sides. So 2H2O plus 3 MnO42 minus giving 2 MnO4 minus aqueous plus MnO2 solid plus 4OH minus. That is the balanced equation in the basic medium.